Hey everyone, I'm Sepide. I'm a programmer with a passion for trading. I'm here to test different strategies for Forex, crypto, and the stock market. Together, we'll figure out what works, what doesn't, and hopefully discover a reliable strategy for our trading. In each video, I'll create an expert advisor for a strategy and test it using data from the past years. If you find these videos helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. In this video, I want to test New York Breakout strategy. The New York Breakout strategy is a famous strategy traded within the first hours of the New York Forex time zone. It is meant to catch any big moves that occur between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. I've created an expert advisor for this and I want to run it so we can see how it would work in the past years. First, I want to test it for Euro 2023. You can see here these two lines are for 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. GMT. It draws two lines, and the two horizontal lines are the highest and lowest price in between these two times. So it will open a buy position above here and a sell position below here. Here it opens a buy position and it's stop loss. So here it opens a sell position below the low, here again above the highest price of these two times it opens a buy position. So it's working like this. I wanted to show you how it works, and now I will speed up the test so we can see the results. We had 149% profit for 2023. Now I want to test it for 2022 till 2023. For 2 years back we had 70% loss. So it was working fine for 2023 but not working for the years before. I want to test it from 2021 to 2022. So we had 80% loss here. I will test it for pound for 2023. We had 200% profit for pound too. Let's say for 2022. So for pound we had 100% profit. It's working well for pound from 2022 till now. I want to test it from 2021. So from 2021 it didn't work and we had loss here. Now I changed the distance for opening positions. It was 20 points before. Now I changed it to 2 points. Now I will change the take profit from 50 to 30. Okay, so we can see it's not working well. I want to change the stop loss, so I want to make it. I will put the stop loss on 10 and take profit 30. So it's not working as well. I will put the take profit on 10. So it didn't work too. Here's the result of the test. For Euro, we had 149% profit in 2023. We had 71% loss from 2022 to 2023. And we have 81% loss from 2021 to 2022. And for the pound, we had 200% profit for 2023 and from 2022 to 2023 we had 100% profit, and for 2021 to 2023 we had 500% loss. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. In the next videos I will test the other trading strategies. If you've got any strategies that you'd like to see in action, just drop a comment below. I'll definitely put them into action and share the results with you all.